Coach Sullivan telling me a 2-0 loss and said that was arguably one of better. Unfortunately, had some tough injuries over the weekend to some big names for our lead squad. That was the unfortunate update from Coach Sullivan. No Colby 28 points through 37 games. The picks are 12, 24, and 2 with 26 points through 38 games. So today it is Peter Stangl manning the crease for Coach Trimble. Nadeau with the shot save. And for the Wolves, we mentioned they played a lot. And for the Wolves, they're coming off a 6-4 win versus the Knights. Shea scoring the other day, takes a hit now. Hers comes in. Hers with a couple of nice moves. Shot saved by Lockhart in tight. Shot there, bounced into the slot wide. And that shot there from Adam physicality picking up, which always means injuries pick up. Nadeau's shot punched out by Lockhart. Nadeau gets it back. Another kick out from Lockhart. Rebound chance for Rupee. Gets it back below the goal line. Whips it back out top. Shot tipped and saved by Lockhart. Hit there from Vargas on Duffy. Shot saved by Lockhart. And then takes another one there from Magnus Brokman. Up top, Barnes, a tip from Crummins, saved by Lockhart. Pass out in front, nobody in red there. Up top they go to Barnes. Down the near wall for Meyrano, and a shot saved. Shot from Gustin saved by Lockhart, or McKenzie rather, with the shot. Now Nadeau straight away, shares to Rupeeks. Snapper saved by Lockhart. Nadeau straight away down to Rupeeks, looking for Gustin. Dearmore gets a body on it. Crochet, Dearmore, Brown, and May out there on the kill. Crochet gets it for South Shore, and here comes Hammond on a short and a big. Cartwright with an all-out effort. Smith gets back. Brokman gets it up the zone, but not completely out. And a shot and a goal there. It's Grayson Gilpatrick. Their penalty kills, 78% is the kill rate on the season. 21% of the power plays they get. Molinas goes in high with the possession. Barnes to Malinines. Goes wing to wing. Wrister from Meyrano. And a cover up from Lockhart. McKenzie advances, shears it back. Nadeau's shot saved straight away. Capture the puck. Ventura blows a tire at the blue line. Here comes Hammond on a 2-on-1 and a save by Lockhart. Here comes Hers with a head of steam back in and shot saved by Lockhart, and Smith runs him. Rukavina make it Meyrano from Rukavina. And the Wolves score again. Castleton now comes in. And a one-timer saved on Rupeeks by Lockhart. For the Wolves. Shot from straight away. Rebound chance for Gustin, saved by Lockhart. With the other. Again, I'm still 95% sure that second goal, it's listed as first from Gilpatrick, was the opposite. I think Tommy posted and announced it backwards down below. Well, Rister saved. Rebound also saved by Lockhart. Melanines feeds his man in front. Lockhart with another save. On Asher Lockhart this period. Again, even though Lockhart's been beat 3 times, he's made about 6 or 7 second period. Crummins to Castleton. Shields the puck on his backhand and roofs it over the shoulder of Lockhart. Castleton from Crummins with 3:36. Yeah, it should be Castleton from Crummins. Come on, Tommy, clean it up down there, will you? Cross to Peplinski. Shot saved by Lockhart. Shot from Peplinski again, saved by Lockhart. Rebound for Emerson, and he scores. Austin Emerson. Hammond with a couple of nice moves, lost possession high in the slot. Rukavina steps up. Saved by Lockhart. Matej Rukavina made it 3-0 at 10:57. In Castleton for the 5 Wolves goals there in the second period. Kings have 14 shots to the Wolves 31. I believe regular time, noontime on Black Bear. I'll have the call of that for you if we are so fortunate to get it. Here's a chance here for the Wolves. And I'm not sure if the Wolves have. Over to Crummins. Takes a toe drag and then a good hugging of the post from Lockhart to secure that save. Crummins shares it over. Rister from lower seed. Knights still have 3 games in hand on the Cyclones, and they are 5. For Springfield, they have 5 games left after today. Wolves with another. Bardis with a nice move. Pass to Hers and a tight save from Lockhart. Again, Lockhart making back in comes Castleton, and Cartwright makes a strong defensive play to block that. Across the way it goes for Gustin. Feeds McKenzie, shot save. Rebound, Vargas sees his shot saved by Lockhart. Bouncing puck cleaned out in front. Gustin with a chance.